Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to disable the share button on Facebook, so others won't be able to share your posts. Let's dive into it. First, open the Facebook app. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and enable the bell icon to stay updated with new videos. Scroll down a bit and click on Profile and Tagging. Here, you'll find an option to allow others to share your posts to their stories. Simply toggle it off. Now, others won't be able to share your posts to their stories anymore. That's the first step. Now, let me show you the second key step. Go back to your Facebook profile. Next, find the post you want to disable sharing for. Tap the three dots on that post, then select the Edit Privacy option. From there, choose Friends and tap Save. Now, only your friends will be able to see the post, and they won't be able to share it. People who aren't your friends won't see the post at all, and they won't have the option to share it either.